Welcome to Cookies Wealth. In this video, we have to see sometimes HP laptops get cooling fan is not working properly issue. Then we will get a blue screen that we have to start up them. This is happening because sometimes fan is not rotating properly or the fan has been stuck because any mechanism errors. All of them tells we have to dismantle the laptop and modify the or exchange the fan. It is not required all time. We can use the HP Support Assistant. In that case, we can see all fix and diagnostics and right side. We have to click them, and in top above we see software and drivers. You see the you are up to date, but in history we heard most of the updates not updated. In like that, it will update the BIOS update also, BIOS hardware issues also. So you can install in reverse order to be resolve the issue like fan is not working properly. In my case, it works me. If you get this and works, comment them to help others and share to your friends who facing this problem in their laptops. Thank you.